Hey guys, I am Benita and I am a second year computer science and engineering student, and I was part of the Mastermind group studying on John Maxwell's 15 invaluable laws of growth, which was facilitated by Maxwell's leadership certified team member, Mr. Balan Swaminathan, whose main focus is to help others become lifelong learners and to maximize their potential through personal growth. I personally learned to view things from a different perspective, which was really a life-changing process because it helped me get out of my comfort zone and challenge myself to try new things so I can shape and become an improved version of myself. In that way, I can lead my life in a controlled manner. It also taught me to surround myself with positive-minded people who support you no matter what, people who have a positive life stance so you can learn from them, because you can only learn from those who are ahead of you and find a creative way to move forward in life without being discouraged. It also helped me identify my strengths and weaknesses and strategize my growth plan so I don't put a limit to what I can or cannot do, and add value to myself as well as others. Although it was hard to improve when you have no one but yourself, but the struggle is part of the learning process. Like it says, no pain, no gain. So without struggle, there is no progress. So you must start with baby steps, accept your failures, learn from your mistakes instead of just giving up. One of my favorite quotes of all time is, if someone offers you an amazing opportunity, but you're not sure if you can do it, say yes and then figure out how to do it later. So always seize your growth opportunities, work hard, make sacrifices, don't compare yourself with others, and start even when you're not ready, because today's hard work is tomorrow's success. Even if you don't find an opportunity, make it. Be intentional, which is actually the very first law of growth. These were just some of the few core principles that benefited me to reach my full potential. So if you need a change to take your growth to the next level, or you need a change to take your communication to the next level, that change has to begin with you. Of course, you can change without growing, but you cannot grow without changing. And I know everyone talks, but only few connect. So if you don't know where and how to start, I recommend that you start with the book by New York Times #1 best-selling author, Dr. John C. Maxwell's 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth. Live them and reach your potential. Thank you.